Are you thinking about giving your home's flooring a fresh look? Look no further. In this short guide, we'll take you through the most common types of floors you'll find in houses. Let's dive in. Hardwood flooring is considered one of the most popular flooring types in North America. Hardwood floors have been a staple in homes across the continent for decades due to their timeless appeal, durability, and ability to increase the value of a home. They provide a natural, warm, and inviting look that complements a wide range of interior styles. However, it's important to note that preferences can vary based on regions, trends, and individual homeowner choices. Other flooring types, such as carpet, laminate, parquet, and vinyl plank, have also been popular choices in North America due to their affordability, comfort, and versatility. Keep in mind that the popularity of flooring types can change over time, and new trends may have emerged since my last update. It's always a good idea to check with local retailers, contractors, and industry sources for the most up-to-date information on popular flooring types in North America. Parquet floor. First up, we have the classic parquet floor. This type of flooring is not only beautiful but also adds a warm and comfortable feel to your space. Made from solid wood, parquet flooring is thicker and more durable than many other options. It can even be sanded several times, extending its life to around 50 years. Just remember, wood and water don't mix well, so be cautious about spills. And if you're moving furniture around, consider using fabric or cork furniture feet covers to prevent scratches. What's great about parquet is that if it starts showing wear, a simple sanding can make it look brand new again. Laminate flooring. Next on our list is laminate flooring. This type of flooring has a wooden inner layer topped with a plastic surface layer. Laminate is known for its durability, making it perfect for homes with kids or areas prone to spills. The variety is impressive, offering options from wood-like finishes to concrete-like designs in various colors. Remember, though, that you can't sand, oil, or repaint laminate flooring. When choosing laminate, opt for good quality to ensure its longevity. Carpet. Now, let's talk about the cozy comfort of carpet. While it's common in some countries to carpet entire homes, you might find it mostly in bedrooms and other places. Carpets have a sound-absorbing effect and provide a warm and inviting atmosphere. They're also excellent for protecting wooden floors from scratches and spills. With a wide range of colors, materials, and sizes, carpets offer plenty of options. Just be sure to follow proper cleaning instructions and vacuum regularly to keep them dust-free. Vinyl flooring. Moving along, we have vinyl flooring, a synthetic material known for its durability. Often found in apartments, vinyl is resistant to moisture, scratches, and stains, making it incredibly easy to maintain. Click vinyl flooring, in particular, is popular for its DIY-friendly installation. There's a variety of vinyl types out there, so choose a high-quality option to ensure its long-lasting performance. Hardwood flooring. Hardwood flooring is a classic and timeless choice that has graced homes for generations. It is renowned for its natural beauty, durability, and ability to add warmth and elegance to any space. Crafted from a variety of hardwood species, such as oak, maple, cherry, and walnut, hardwood floors offer a diverse range of colors, grain patterns, and textures that can suit various interior styles. One of the standout features of hardwood flooring is its longevity. Properly maintained, hardwood floors can last for decades, often improving in appearance as they age. They can be sanded and refinished multiple times, allowing homeowners to refresh their look or change stain colors to match evolving decor trends. Hardwood flooring is also hypoallergenic and easy to clean, making it an ideal choice for those with allergies or households with pets. Its natural resistance to allergens and dust accumulation contributes to better indoor air quality. Beyond its functional qualities, hardwood flooring holds a sense of authenticity and character that synthetic alternatives struggle to replicate. The rich and varied textures of hardwood bring a unique sense of connection to nature, while adding a touch of sophistication to living spaces. Whether in a rustic farmhouse or a contemporary urban loft, hardwood flooring continues to be a preferred choice for homeowners seeking enduring beauty and exceptional quality. Stone floor. Lastly, for those seeking a touch of luxury, consider a stone floor. Stone flooring works wonders in spaces like bathrooms and hallways. It's tough enough to handle dirt and foot traffic. Plus, it can beautifully complement natural elements like wood and earthy tones. Stone floors can even be sanded or polished if needed. Keep in mind that they can be a bit cold, so if warmth is a concern, consider underfloor heating. And there you have it, a quick rundown of some of the most common floors you'll find in houses. Each type comes with its own unique benefits and considerations, so be sure to choose what suits your home and lifestyle best. Happy flooring makeover!